Welcome to our Excel tutorial on common errors and how to fix them. In this video, we will cover the most frequent mistakes and provide tips to improve your workflow on Excel. Basically, there are very many common errors in Excel, so we are going to tell you the errors and how we can get rid of it. So if you've been facing problem having broken references or formulas, I get you covered. I'm going to illustrate for you physically how the errors are and their names plus the solution to it. So let's start with the formula errors. So there could be incorrect cell references, types of formulas, or missing extra patterns. So in this examples could be incorrect data entry errors or other inconveniences. So what we do, let's dive in and see what the common errors are in Excel so we can fix it. So let's dive in and see it practically. So this is our Excel. Here we can open a new or blank workbook. Can open it. So as you know, so this is a formula bar which I showed to you in my previous videos. So allow me first type in the names, the contact plus the data. Let me first finish it in some seconds. I'll be back. Yeah, thank you. I'll fix back some data on this worksheet. So I'm going to take you through the first error in Excel, that is the hash name. It's an error which is common in Excel. That one will be basically, as I told you in my introduction, we are going to know the errors in formulas on the on the worksheet in the cells. So this error, the first error I'm going to take you through is called the hash name error, which is due to wrong formula. So how can this happen? Assuming you come into, you click in the cell, and instead of sum, you put there add. Okay, so that will indicate and you see the error. Assuming you put add, you want to add this, the maths for SST plus the maths of sciences. Yeah, so you click in this cell, you can see hash name, which is an error. So this error is due to wrong formula, and how we can fix it is simple. You come and you type in the correct formula. So instead of add, you can put in the right formula, which is sum. And as if you type sum, Excel will know that you want to sum, so to bring for you the options. Here you click in it, sum, you double click, and then you fix in the cell that you want to add, this one and this. Yeah, this cell, you add them. Yeah, and then you press enter. Okay, and then that's how you get rid. So this is the first error, and I just showed for you how you can get rid of it. So let's move to the next error, which is common in Excel. So the next error is the it's the hash diff error. So this hash diff error happens when you divide a number by 0. As you know, as per the mathematical rules, you can never divide a number by 0. So when we divide a number by 0, we get the hash diff error, which is the commonest error. So what we do to see the error, assuming you want to divide this mark for this, we click in the cell, put our equal sign, and we put this. We divide it by this cell, yeah, and press enter. That's what it will bring for you, the hash diff error. So this error shows you that you can never divide a number by 0. So how do you get rid of it? Maybe you can add this by fixing some digits here, and then you can see automatically it brings for you the correct answer. So that's how we get rid of the hash diff error in Excel. Let's get to the next error in Excel and show how we can get rid of it. So let's go on. So our next error is the hash value error. So how do this come across? This has value error. It's common when you have an empty cell. Now take a look. Assuming you have an empty cell, Excel takes an empty cell as 0. So when you subtract empty cell, Excel will take it as 0. So we put our equal sign and we click on the cell D5, and we subtract it. We subtract it from E5. We shall get our answer because Excel treats an empty cell as a 0. So we get our 65. Then how do people make these errors? Now, assuming instead of empty and it was written as missing. When it's written missing, Excel doesn't take it as 0. So let's try and we see how we come up. That error can come into. So click on this, the D5 minus or E5, and press enter. It will bring for us the hash value error. So how do we get rid of this? So when it brings for you this, you come and type in the formula in the formula bar. Okay, put your equal sign, come and click on this. Now instead of this we put minus, by this time around we have to put sum. Okay, so we type in the formula, so equal sign in the formula bar, the sum bracket and the cell number E2, and we press enter. Okay, that's how we come out to get rid of that error. As you see, we click on enter, it will bring hash. So that's how we get rid of hash error, which is common in Excel. So let's move to the next error, which is also common in Excel. Yeah. So the next error which is common is the #1 error, which occurs when you type in a very large number in the cell, which is not enough. Assuming you type in the cell a very big number and doesn't fill in it, you will get that one hash error. So how do you get rid of it? You have to extend the length of the error, the length of the cell. You extend and it fits. So that's how we get rid of the one hash error in Excel. So thank you for watching our tutorial on errors on Excel. Hope this video finds you and helps you. Remember to subscribe. So if you have any question, you can comment on our comment section and I'll check it out. Remember to subscribe and watch our next videos more about errors on Excel.